Hi everyone, and welcome to Beginner's Python Coding on Raspberry Pi. This is episode number 2, variables. So in this video we are going to learn about how you remember stuff in a Python program. Okay, let's get started. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so that you get a notification every time we release a new episode. Also, you can check out our website leafcutterlearning.com, where we've got links to all our videos and lots more leafcutter learning content. So when we want to remember stuff in a Python program, we use variables. Now, variables are a bit like a box in a computer's memory, and when you want to remember something, you put it in a box and you put a label on the box to help you remember what's in there. And then whenever you're writing your computer program and you need to use that information, you just tell the computers to go get that box and give you whatever's inside. So let's see how we do that in Python, and maybe it'll help you kind of understand how it works in practice. So let's imagine we've got a computer program and we need to remember the name of our user, who's called, let's say, Fred. So the way that you create a variable in Python is you go username, that's what we're going to call our variable, and inside username we want you to put Fred, and that's it. So what that line does is it creates this box in the computer's memory, puts a label on the box called username, and inside the box it puts the text Fred. So that further down in our program, if we want to use that piece of information, like here I'm going to print it out, we just say print and then the name of the variable, username. And so when Python sees username, it goes, I've got a variable called username. So it goes and gets the box with the label username on, looks inside, and it'll print out whatever is in that box. So let's give that a go. If I press the play button or run, and you can see down here that it's printed out Fred. So we could change what's in that box, what's in that variable, by just changing this here. And if we run that, now we've put Lisa as the username, and when we print it out we see that Lisa's printed out. So now that we've got our program working, what we're going to do is just tidy it up a little bit, make it a little bit more user friendly. So at the moment we're creating the variable username, putting Fred in it, and then printing out the variable which prints out Fred. What we're going to do is we are going to add in a little bit of text before the Fred, so that we can get the computer being a bit more friendly. So what I've done there is I've added the text hello to the print command, and then a comma, and then the username. And what's happening here is with the print command you can print out more than one thing. So you can print out a list of things separated by commas. So I'm asking here for the print command to print out hello and then print out the contents of username. So if we run that, now we can see that the program's saying hello Fred, and you can put things before and after this. So I could add in some more text here, so I could do something like how are you, and then when we run that, so that kind of helps you get the output that you want to, make it a bit more user friendly, and it's just an extension of what the print command can do. Okay, great. Well, that's enough for variables in this video. In the next video, we're going to keep on looking at variables, but we're going to move on to looking at numbers. So see you then. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Check out the links below for some more videos in this series.